Hello, auto enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Info Channel. Unlike the more conventional 2024 A5 Avant, the upcoming Q3 is set to make a bold statement with a radical redesign of its front fascia. Picture this: the single-frame octagonal radiator grille, slightly downsized, with more plastic surrounding the area between the grille and the lower air intake. The grille itself will showcase a fresh pattern, featuring overlapping U-shaped motifs. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for a significant change. Two large rectangular headlights positioned on the bumper's corners, serving as both low and high beams. Although not visible in these renderings, the rear end is anticipated to receive a more conservative redesign. Expect slimmer taillights that maintain their basic shapes. Drawing inspiration from the Q4 e-tron, the rear lights will share a similar form without the LED strip connecting them through the boot, at least not visible in our current images. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The third-generation Q3, also marking the final chapter with a combustion engine, will ride on the Volkswagen Group's MQB Evo platform. This platform is shared with the new Volkswagen Tiguan, boasting a plug-in hybrid variant with an impressive electric range of up to 62 miles. The engine lineup for the new Q3 is expected to mirror its Tiguan counterpart, featuring PHEV models, with outputs ranging from 201 horsepower to 268 horsepower. Additionally, there will be a base 1.5-liter mild hybrid turbo-gas engine and a larger, more powerful 2.0-liter four-banger. Where will this crossover come to life? Győr, Hungary, alongside the new Cupra Terramar. Interestingly, the current entry-level Audi crossover, the Q2, is set to retire soon, leaving the next-generation Q3 as the brand's most affordable crossover in the future. Curious about the release date? Stick around. We anticipate a grand reveal sometime in the first half of 2024. Exciting times lie ahead for Audi enthusiasts, and we'll be here every step of the way. If you're just as eager as we are for more updates on the next-generation Audi Q3, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for the latest automotive insights, and until next time, drive safe.